Welcome, everyone. It's good to have you with us. I'm Jane McCarthy.
Good evening. I'm Mark Hanrahan. We are in the midst of one of the worst flu seasons in years. The illness is now widespread in nearly every state, including Washington and Idaho.
North Idaho hit especially hard compared to the southern half of the state. KREM 2's Evan Narani went to the experts to get a better look at why.
When the flu season hits, David Hilsky gets busy. He's been an epidemiologist with the Panhandle Health District for more than 2 decades, and he knows what to expect.
As far as a health matter goes, you get sick really quick. I mean, you might be feeling fine, and then a week later, you might be in the hospital in critical condition.
The numbers help tell the story. Of all the emergency room visits this season in Idaho, 7.2% were for flu-related symptoms. That's significantly higher than the baseline of 2.4%. The situation is especially bad here. Of the 51 flu-related deaths so far this season in Idaho, more than half, 29, have been in North Idaho.
It's been a really bad year for deaths here. 28 of those deaths have been in individuals over the age of 50. Some of them have had other, co-infections going on, other things.
Hilsky says there are a few potential reasons for why the Panhandle numbers are so high. The average age is higher in North Idaho compared to the rest of the state. Its proximity to Spokane, a major city that's also experiencing high numbers, and lower vaccination rates in North Idaho, including flu vaccines.
It's kind of like, wearing a seatbelt. Wearing a seatbelt won't prevent you from getting into a car accident, but if you do get into a car accident, that seatbelt hopefully is going to prevent you from getting seriously injured or dying.
Flu is still circulating. We're in flu season.
The Idaho Department of Health warns, despite some people feeling like flu season is winding down, we're actually right in the middle of it.
The flu season lasts from October through April in Idaho, and you could catch it any time during that time. Getting your flu shot now could protect you if maybe you're exposed to it in a couple weeks.
This year's dominant strand is AH3, the same as last year's, but the numbers show it's hitting much harder. At this time last year, only 31 people had died in Idaho, compared to 51 so far this season. Health officials hope they've already seen the peak, but flu shots are still readily available. In Coeur d'Alene, Evan Narani, KREM 2 News.